Ryan, what if I told you that you could dramatically improve your English in just 30 days?
I'd say prove it. What's different about this challenge versus all the other challenges that don't work?
This challenge is designed around how your brain actually learns. Small, daily actions that build on each other.
And we both did this challenge. Want to share our before and after results?
Yes. Before the challenge, I could understand maybe 60% of normal conversation. After 30 days, about 85%.
My speaking speed doubled. I went from slow, hesitant speech to more natural fluency.
So let's break down the 30-day challenge week by week.
Week 1 focus, speaking without fear. Day 1 through 7, you must speak English out loud for 5 minutes daily.
Talk to yourself, narrate your actions, describe what you see. No one is listening, so there's no pressure.
The goal isn't perfect grammar. The goal is getting comfortable making sounds in English.
By day 7, speaking English should feel less scary and more natural.
Week 2 focus, active listening. Day 8 through 14, listen to 10 minutes of English daily, but actively.
Take notes while listening. Write down new words, interesting phrases, things you didn't understand.
Pause and rewind when needed. This isn't passive background noise. You're hunting for learning.
By day 14, your ears should be catching more words and patterns automatically.
Week 3 focus, reading and vocabulary. Day 15 through 21, read for 15 minutes daily.
But here's the key. Read things slightly above your level. Challenge yourself.
When you encounter a new word, write it down with the full sentence. Context helps memory.
By day 21, you should have 30 to 50 new words in context, plus improved reading speed.
Week 4 focus, writing and output. Day 22 through 30, write for 10 minutes daily.
Could be a journal, social media posts, emails to language partners, anything that requires constructing English sentences.
Don't worry about perfection. The goal is fluent expression of ideas, even with some mistakes.
By day 30, writing should feel much easier and faster than it did on day 1.
Now let's talk about the daily habits that support these weekly focuses.
Every single day for all 30 days, you must do 3 things. Learn 1 new word, review yesterday's word, and practice for at least 5 minutes.
These 3 non-negotiables ensure consistent progress even on busy days.
The challenge includes rest periods. 1 day per week, you practice lighter, maybe just 5 minutes instead of the full focus time.
Your brain needs recovery time to consolidate learning. Rest is part of progress.
Let's give specific examples for each week so people know exactly what to do.
Week 1, day 1 example, wake up, go to your mirror, and describe your morning for 5 minutes.
I woke up at 7 a.m. I feel a little tired. Today, I need to work and study. First, I'll make coffee.
Just keep talking for 5 minutes. It will feel weird at first, totally normal.
Week 1, day 4 example. Narrate cooking or cleaning.
Now I'm cutting the onion. It's making my eyes water. I need to add salt. How much salt? Maybe 1 teaspoon?
You're training your brain to think in English while doing daily activities.
Week 2, day 9 example. Listen to a 10-minute podcast about a topic you love.
Stop after each major point. Write down what you understood. Note any new vocabulary.
Week 2, day 12 example. Watch a YouTube video with English subtitles.
Pay attention to how they pronounce words. Notice common phrases. Write down 3 things you learned.
Week 3, day 16 example. Read a news article about current events.
Choose something that interests you. Don't force yourself to read boring content.
Write down 5 new words with their sentences. Try to use each word in your own sentence.
Week 3, day 20 example. Read a blog post or Reddit thread about your hobby.
Notice informal English, slang, idioms, casual phrases. This is how people really talk.
Week 4, day 24 example. Write a social media post about your day.
Describe what you did, how you felt, what you're thinking about. 3 to 5 sentences minimum.
Week 4, day 28 example. Write an email to a language partner or imaginary person.
Practice formal email structure. Greeting, purpose, details, closing. This is professional English practice.
Now let's discuss common challenges people face during the 30 days.
Challenge 1, motivation drops around day 10. The newness wears off, results aren't visible yet.
Solution, track your practice visually. Put check marks on a calendar. The streak motivates you to continue.
Challenge 2, life gets busy, you miss a day or 2.
Solution, don't quit. Missing 2 days doesn't erase 8 days of progress. Just restart immediately.
The challenge is about building a habit. Even if you miss days, completing 25 out of 30 is still amazing.
Challenge 3, You feel like you're not improving.
Solution: record yourself on day 1 and day 15. Listen to both. You'll hear the difference.
Progress is hard to notice day by day, but comparing week 1 to week 3 shows clear improvement.
Challenge 4: you don't know what to talk about when practicing speaking.
Solution: use prompts like describe your favorite place, explain how to make your favorite food, talk about your goals.
Or just describe your environment. What do you see? What do you hear? What are you thinking?
Challenge 5. Vocabulary doesn't stick.
Solution: use new words multiple times. Learn a word, use it 3 times that day in different sentences.
Repetition in varied contexts moves words from short-term to long-term memory.
Let's share our personal experiences with the challenge.
My biggest breakthrough came on day 18. I was reading an article and suddenly realized I was understanding without translating.
That's huge. What changed?
My brain stopped going English word to my language to understand. It started going English word to direct understanding.
My breakthrough was day 22. I had a real conversation with a native speaker and kept up naturally.
No long pauses to think?
Some pauses, but I was responding in real time, not translating entire sentences in my head first.
These breakthroughs don't happen on day 1 or 2. They happen after consistent practice builds foundation.
Now let's create accountability. Everyone watching should start the challenge together.
Find a partner, friend, family member, online buddy. Check in daily. Did you do your practice?
Accountability dramatically increases completion rates. You don't want to let your partner down.
Post your progress online. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Share that you're doing the challenge.
Public commitment makes you more likely to follow through. Plus, others might join you.
Use a specific hashtag so we can all follow each other's progress and encourage each other.
Let's talk about what happens after the 30 days.
Your English will be noticeably better, but more importantly, you'll have built a daily practice habit.
The 30 days is just the beginning. Continue with the habits you developed.
Maybe adjust the focus. Pick your weakest area and target that for the next 30 days.
The challenge never really ends. English learning is a marathon, not a sprint.
But 30 days proves to yourself that you can improve with consistent effort. That confidence is powerful.
Final tips for success. Start tomorrow. Actually, start today, if possible.
Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. Just start.
Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate. Follow the weekly focus and do your daily basics.
Track everything. Check marks, notes, recordings. Documentation shows progress and motivates.
Be kind to yourself. Some days will be better than others. That's normal and okay.
Celebrate small wins. Understood a full sentence? Celebrate. Spoke for 5 minutes without stopping? Celebrate.
All right, everyone, who's starting the 30-day challenge right now?
Comment, I'm in, and tell us what day you're starting. Today, tomorrow, this weekend?
We'll check back in 30 days for your results. You've got this.
See you in the next video.
Happy challenging.